Thank you.
I'm not sure I could state it better than Justice
Could
Robinson.
you speak into the microphone?
Sure. I said I'm not sure I could answer the question better than Justice Robinson, but certainly my experience as a neutral adjudicator on the board has taught me the same lessons and the importance of approaching each case with an open mind, diligently reviewing the record and reviewing the law, and collegially conferring with my board colleagues before reaching any final decision. And I have benefited greatly from those conferences with my colleagues, and I would approach judging in the same way as an appellate judge if confirmed.
I'd like both of you to answer this quick question. You have both served as litigators and as such zealous advocates. How do you see that changing as a federal judge? Judge Robinson?
Senator Feinstein, thank you. I've had the experience for the past decade of playing a different role in the legal system, and one about which I am every bit as passionate as I ever was as an advocate. I think we need advocates in our system. We need good advocates. We need robust legal argument and research. But in the end, I feel that I found my home in the judicial role, and I'm grateful to have had the opportunity to serve as I have.
Thank you. I addressed you as judge, and it should be justice, so I want to apologize for that. Please go ahead, Ms. Sung.
Thank you, Senator. I left behind the role of an advocate 5 years ago, and as a neutral adjudicator, the role could not be more different. As an adjudicator, it is my duty to consider the arguments of all the parties, to neutrally and impartially apply the law to the facts as established by the evidence in the record, and to go where the law and the facts lead me, and not without favor to any party. And I will continue to do that if confirmed.
Justice Robinson, I was impressed to see that during your decade of experience serving the Vermont Supreme Court, in one of the cases from earlier this year, you joined an opinion that upheld Vermont's ban on large capacity gun magazines under the state constitution. Can you describe how you would approach this issue as a Court of Appeals judge?
Thank you, Senator. And I'd like to be clear that the case you're describing was a case in which the court was applying the Vermont constitutional protection for the right to bear arms. So nothing about that decision purported to address the Second Amendment of the United States Constitution. The court did conclude in that case, and I joined the opinion, that Vermont's state constitutional right to bear arms does include an individual right to bear arms for the protection of self, family, and home. That's a conclusion that resonated with the conclusion that the U.S. Supreme Court reached in the Heller case with respect to the Second Amendment.
Thank you very much. Thanks, Mr. Chairman.
Senator Cruz?
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Welcome to the nominees.
Thank you.
Justice Robinson, let me start with you. I am concerned about your record, both as an advocate and as a judge.